Here is how you can easily display customer reviews from your Booking.com page on your Wix website, using Booking.com Reviews app by Market Push Apps. We've added this beautiful widget in just a few simple steps. To add a similar widget on your site, install the Booking.com Reviews app from the Wix App Market. You can find the install link in the video description below. Next is a quick tutorial on the app. Open the Reviews page and paste the link of your Booking.com page here. Then click Connect to your Booking page to import the reviews. After connecting the page, we can now sync the reviews. Then we can choose between approving all reviews or reviewing them one by one manually. We will approve all the reviews of this page. Once we're done with importing the reviews, we can head to the widget page and switch on the widget visibility. The widget is now visible on the site. We can further edit the widget appearance by clicking on Customize. In this editor, we can change the template style from the Themes menu. Then we can change the content, the layout, and the design of the widget. To customize how the expanded view looks like, click on this icon, and you will have the same configuration options as for the launcher. Then we can also change the position of the widget. Lastly, don't forget to click Save after completing the customization. If you found this video useful, please like or leave a comment. It helps immensely. Feel free to contact us if you need any further help. Thank you for watching.